Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amal. In case you are new here guys, thank you so much for coming. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so that when I upload another video you'll be the first one to watch. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me guys. Just road to 200 subscribers guys. So here I'm coming live from the village. So we want to make, I have my cousin here. Say hi to my people.
Hi.
Okay. Okay. He's shy, so we want to cook cabbage and rice. So here is our cabbage. Now we want to cut it, guys. Look at it. My cousin is the one who is cutting the cabbage, and me, I'll prepare rice. The rice is here, it's ready. So let's cut our cabbage now. Okay guys, so our cabbage is ready. I want to lighten fire. Yeah. So guys, so far it's ready. Let me put our sufuria here. I'm using sufuria to cook rice. So this rice is 2 cups of 2 cups. So I'll put here 4 cups of water. Let me measure cup here. So I'm going to measure. Then I'll put little salt. This one is enough. And little oil. Yeah. Then I'll let me cover it. I want this water to boil. Then I add my rice here. Okay. Come on, go back. The water is ready. Finally, our water is ready. So let me put this rice in. So let me taste the salt. Yeah, there's enough salt. So let me cover it like for 20 minutes or 15 minutes. Then I'll check. Our rice is ready. So let me remove it. Ooh. Let me put somewhere here. Put it here. So you want to fry our cabbage now. Okay. Okay guys, so my cousin is cutting onion into small pieces. Look at it guys. we want to fry our cabbage. That's oil. I think it's enough, or can you add a little bit? Yes. Okay. So guys, we have adding onion, not onion, tomatoes. So look at it guys, today we are going to enjoy our meal. Okay guys, my cousin, the one who is cooking, is frying cabbage. Wow. Okay guys, so our tomatoes and onion is ready, so we are going to add cabbage. We are adding salt. So we are covering it for 5 minutes, then we'll start. So guys, we are checking our cabbage. I think it's ready. We are stirring it. Let's stir our cabbage. Wow. Okay guys, so our cabbage is ready. Let's go and enjoy our meal now. Wow, look at it guys, so delicious. Wow. You want to eat? Okay, yeah. Let's eat. This one is for my grandma. Let me give it to her. Mom, here's your spoon. Enjoy. Wow, my mom knows how to speak English. Wow, welcome. Horrible. Okay guys, if you like this video, let me know. Drop a comment down there. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video so that it can reach many people. Bye.